Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Looks like Doggo's trying to tell his bed to be bouncier. This is definitely the weirdest dog bark I have ever heard. When you accidentally sign up as the family clown. And bye. Oh, I'm dizzy. Here comes the top-notch masseur. Please touch pause to activate Doggo's dirt mode.
Look a bit. Look a bit. Have a bit.
There are two types of criminals. One uses their physical when you have no idea how the toy works, but still manage to have fun. There's always that one friend who's overly energetic. Fed up with boring accessories? Our dull dainty necklace is made for you. Buy now.
I feel like he could just say under the whole thing. What do you want?
Due to heavy snowfall, walking mode has been switched to playing mode. Meet our furry farmer. One seed today, a fruitful crop tomorrow, right?
Be the best employee on the farm. Just another day on the job for the neighborhood mediator. Easy, my bros. Hello, Sunshine. This puppy's morning yoga is way more impressive than mine.
I bet he wanted to feel. Did you feel that?
Two mountains, one tiny pup. Can he conquer them both? Stay tuned to find out. Puppy and mirror. Isn't it a guaranteed recipe for cuteness overload? Who can resist a dog who leans in for head scratches? Not me. Look at that! Who's there? Isn't the Flash running some errands? Nothing to question here, just a dog climbing his own Everest. Judging on the pup's expression, Grandma's song must be so great.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.